In this video, you will learn how to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed error. Restart Forza Horizon 5 on your device. Close the game completely and restart your console or PC to refresh your account connection. Check your Microsoft account sign-in. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account on your Xbox or Windows device. Restart Xbox services. Open the service app and restart the Xbox Live Authenticate Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and the Xbox Networking Service. Sign out and sign back into the Xbox app. Log out of the Xbox app and restart it, then sign in again to resync your account. Verify your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection that has no VPN or firewall and is blocking the Xbox service. Update the game and system software. Install any updates for Forza Horizon 5 or your system to fix known sign-in bugs. Now you know how to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.